The first one that is going to Kerala State Industrial Development Corporation Limited, that is KSIDC in Kerala in the district of Alappuzha. So this is the first one of Kerala state. In case more than 2 state agencies had applied, then the preference was given to the one which got the highest mark, and the second one came in the general pool. So the first one is to Kerala, the second one is to Andhra Pradesh Industrial Infrastructure Corporation, that is now in the Telangana area, and Khammam, that is the district. The third one has gone to Haryana State Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation in Sonipat. The fourth one goes to Odisha Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation, that's IDCO, in Khurda district. The fifth one goes to Punjab Agro Industries Corporation in Ludhiana. The sixth one goes to Andhra Pradesh Industrial Infrastructure Corporation, that's APIIC, in Krishna. This is in the Andhra Pradesh, now Andhra Pradesh. So these are the 6 states who had applied, who have cleared the criteria and have got allotted. Besides this, again going according to the numbering which we have to, according to the marks that they had received, the other balance 11 are, one is Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, which is in Gujarat, in Kutch. The 8th one goes to Jain Agro Trading Company Private Limited in Maharashtra, in Wardha district. 9th one goes to Ruchi Acroni Industries Limited in Madhya Pradesh, in Devas district. The 10th one goes to 3F Industries Limited, which is in Tamil Nadu, in Krishnagiri. The 11th one goes to Raga Mayuri Agro Private Limited in Telangana, in Mehboob Nagar. The 12th one goes to Continental Warehousing Corporation, Nhava Sheva, in Haryana, Panipat. 13th one goes to Mums Mega Food Park in Bihar, in Buxar district. 14th one goes to NDR Infrastructure Private Limited in Tamil Nadu, in Thiruvallur. The 15th one again goes to Kerala Industrial Infrastructure Development Corporation, which is KINFRA, in Palakkad. 16th one goes to Sukhjit Starch and Chemical Limited in Punjab, in Kapurthala district. And the 17th one goes to Vinay Tiwari Agro Estate and Farms Private Limited in Maharashtra, in Ahmednagar. These are the 17 people who have cleared this mega food park criteria. I'm glad to say that now the 25 mega food parks which were earlier are already in various stages of progress, as well as these 42 mega food parks with an investment of almost 5,000 crores, out of which approximately 2,100 crores is going to be the investment of Government of India. These together will further generate, because as you have understood, the mega food parks will have other units which will set up. This is a hub of infrastructure which will be created, and inside the park there will be other units which will also come and set up the industry. So these 5,000 crores is going to take forward the Make in India vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, which is going to create this infrastructural capacity, which will further lead to another investment when all these small units come in of another 10,500 crores. So this 5,000 will leverage another 10,500 crores, and altogether the turnover is likely to be about 21,000 crores after all these units come up in all these 42 mega food parks.